his motive. Reporting from the scene where earlier today, Sonic the Bottom Dweller was kidnapped by a number of unidentified individuals.
What's going on here?
I better get an explanation of who you people are right this second.
Sonic the Bottom Dweller. You are the last descendant of the race of Bottom Dweller seals in this mountain, and therefore must now perish at my hands.
Wait, I know you.
That's right, I'm SEGA, the top dwellers, master of this land. Sealed away to rot in darkness for eternity by your ancestors.
You deserved it for putting plates in the top rack of the dishwasher.
I can load it however I want, you can't tell me what to do. After him!
We will be arriving in 64 hours.
Talk about low-budget flights, no food or movies. I'm out of here. I like running better.
Until we find out who they are, there's a very slim chance that we're actually going to find those kidnappers. But Sonic is also strong enough to break out on his own easily, so I suggest you just wait at his house.
If I hadn't spent so long questioning the legitimacy of our relationship, I might have been able to help him.
Well, then move it or lose it before it happens again.
Sonic, is that you?
Bike funk? Smooch!
Hey, Sonic! Well, you like me. You don't just like me for looks, do you?
As a Kisula, you are physically unattractive to a bottom dweller such as myself. However, since I'm supposedly the last one, I cannot hope for such qualities in lieu. I like you because you're awesomely cool and super sweet.
That's a relief. Oh, one more thing. I was talking to Nellie earlier, and you really hurt her. I know it doesn't mean much in this world where everyone just comes back from the dead, but you get back on the balance a bit, and also apologize to Nellie.
Alrighty then.
Alright, I forgive you.
You have chosen Wesley. We need to stop Inside Guy before she loads the dishwasher.
What's so bad about that?
She puts the plates in the top rack.
Who's you Inside Guy?
You Inside Guy is the mother of an ant colony who, in opposition to the bottom dwellers, called themselves the top dwellers. The top dwellers founded their culture on the most tragic of crimes, loading the plates in the top rack of the dishwasher.
Absolutely barbaric.
Tell me where I can find a dishwasher, and I'll let you live.
Just try any modern day house and you'll probably find one.
Oh, well, crack easily. Eggman, time to invest in real estate.
Come out and face us, Inside Guy.
Royal Highness is out investing in real estate.
Alright everyone, back it up!
We need to purchase one of your boats.
If you're married, we can get you a courtesy discount.
I haven't seen my husband since the day we met.
Ma'am, it doesn't count, sorry.
Screw you.
I see Queenside Guy. She's right in front of my house. Got it. Damn. Da-da-da, we win.
We didn't win.
Find the dishwasher. You're too late, Sonic.
No.
You absolute monster. Those two are really fast.
Now, get out! You're trespassing.
No, ma'am. This is my house.
Not anymore. What the?
What's he doing here?
I'm going back to my mountain. I did what I came to do.
Wait, when I get my hands on you,
I'm Maddie. That's me, Carl.